Yesterday we had learned about the primary functions of commercial banks. Today we are going to learn about the secondary functions of commercial banks, which include the overdraft facilities, discounting bills of exchange, investment of different types of funds, agency functions of the bank, as well as different miscellaneous functions. Now let us take into consideration one by one. Now, what is this overdraft facility? Overdraft facility is a type of facility which is provided by the commercial banks to the customers in terms of providing security for the overdraft, such as the LIC policies, debentures, or the shares of the accounts holder. Okay, and the rate of interest is very much lower than that of the cash credit here. Okay, so it always gives an assistance for the financial assets. Right, that means against our financial assets we can always borrow the loans from the bank. Okay, say for example, if I have to take a loan on the LIC policy, so it will be facilitated with the help of the bank in terms of overdraft facilities. Then discounting of bills of exchange, that means this is generally carried out for the business class. If there are two people who are in contact with each other in terms of business, then say for example, if a person has to do a payment to the other person, okay, say for example, a certain amount of money is to be paid by one person to the other who are in trade. Okay, so what will and if the other person is in need of loan at present, okay, right now, then what type of facility he can get from the bank? Against that check payment, what will be the person doing? He will be going to the bank and getting it discounted in terms of finance, right? That means the bank can provide the person with the loan by giving certain discount. Okay, that means whatever will be the service charges of the bank will definitely deduct it from that amount, and the rest of the amount will be given or discounted in terms of the bills of exchange to the person in advance. That means if the payment was to be carried out in a certain date or after a time period, then it can be preponed and the person can get the advance loan on it. Okay, say for example, if the check was a post-dated check which was to be encashed after 3 months, so the person who is in need of getting the cash right now or the amount right now can go to the bank and get the check, get the loan on the basis of this check in advance, right, by getting the facility of discounting bills of exchange. Then investment of funds. Where does the commercial bank help in this? In government securities, other approved securities, and other securities. Now, what are these government securities? Say for example, the National Saving Certificate, okay, which has been carried out by both the central and the state government, and these act as a even the treasury bills have been used as the government securities. That means the banks provide investment for funds in terms of the government securities through the national saving certificates or the treasury bills for both the central as well as the state government. And the other securities, say for example, the electricity boards or the housing boards, debentures of land development banks, say for example the rural development by RRBs, that is regional rural banks, or the units of the UTI. Against these also investment of funds has been carried out as a facility by the commercial banks. And other securities of the private sector undertakings, that means they always get a loan against their assets, right, which have been secured by the banks. Then other agency functions of the banks are transfer of funds. That means nowadays you are very much aware of the e-banking system. Okay, so say for example, one person has to do some demand drafts, or he or she has to go through the mail transactions or mail transfers of funds from one account to the other, or payment of the bills, as I said, or payment either it can be done through the check or it can be done through e-banking, right? So here the credit as well as the debit facilities have been provided by the banks on their own. against that again they charge a service charge from the customers. Okay. Then collection of funds, such as, for example, the bank collects funds on behalf of its customers through the checks, demand drafts and bills, as we have learned right now. Then the purchase and sale of shares and securities on behalf of the customers. Like if I have to invest some amount in a mutual fund which has been run by the State Bank of India, that is SBI mutual fund. So I would get a facility in investment of in such bonds for me by the bank. Okay. Then collection of dividends and interest on shares and debentures, then payments of bills and insurance premiums, then acting as executors of the trustees of wills and provision of income tax consultancy. All these are the other agency functions which have been carried out by the banks. Say for example, if I have to pay a certain amount of income tax, then always if I have any of the problems in doing it, or if I have to get an advisory note on it, then the banks always provide me such facility. Or I can also go for a tax benefit scheme which is run by the banks in order to save my income tax, etc. Right? All these are the facilities which have been provided. Then if I have to make my will against my asset or my property or whatever as an asset I have with me, then I can always, the bank always helps me with this, and it gives me a security to preserve my will here. And of course the payments of the insurance premiums, or say for example different types of bills which are being carried out for as a facility for the business class, these all are the other facilities or the functions which are run by the banks as an agency. Okay. And miscellaneous functions such as purchase and sale of foreign exchange, issue of traveler's check. That means the commercial banks also help us in conversion of the currencies, right? When the foreigners come here, their currencies are being converted into the Indian currency, and further they can go with the different transactions. It is also providing us locker facility, etc. It gives a safe custody of valuables, of goods. Say for example, it preserves my jewelry or any of my other documents in terms of my property, etc. Okay, all these can be saved in a, or it can be provided by the banks in terms of security for all these. Okay, then it is more secure in the bank lockers than rather it is being secured in my home locker. Okay. And consulting of the customers on financial matters. Say for example, every time a guideline has been provided by the banks in terms of the rate of interest they will be getting on their deposits, or what type of deposit schemes or credit schemes are being given, are run by the bank. All these types of facilities in terms of advisory notes are being given by the banks or provided by the commercial banks to the customers. Right? And different statistics is available in terms of the current ratings of the trade, commerce and industry. As of you must have seen in the CNBC Awaaz, this channel which has been run. So always a certain amount of or certain data is being published by the banks, which has been used by these different channels in order to provide the guidelines to the customers in terms of investment and savings. Then after this we are also going to learn about what is the role of this commercial bank in economic development and social welfare. As you know children, our economy is a mixed economic system, and here the decision making has been taken by the or initiated by the government, but at the same time social welfare and economic development is also one of the major concern of the government, right? So how do the commercial banks help in doing this? The commercial banks help in capital formation. We know what is capital formation. Capital formation in terms of development of the human capital, but at the same time when we talk about the role of the commercial banks in this, or the commercial banks help in capital formation by mobilizing idle savings of the people and investing them into productive economic activities. Say for example, when I say if I save my or deposit my money in my bank account, then it is being provided as a security by the bank to me, right? But at the same time, if I invest in any types of debentures, shares, or mutual funds, etc., then these would be the other investment policies which are run for productive economic activities. Okay, so it works as an investment strategy for the individuals. They induce to research and innovations by providing credit to the entrepreneurs. Commercial banks encourage innovations so that they can go for research and development activities. So credit to entrepreneurs means they help the enterprises as well as the entrepreneurs, the business people, or any of those who want to go for startups, etc., right? So this is an facility which has been provided by the bank. It induces research and innovations through the startups, etc. Then development of the rural sector. Regional rural banks are playing a very important role as commercial banks as well as the commercial banks in terms of the development of the rural areas by providing credit or short-term and easy credit facilities to the farmers, the marginal farmers, with regard to rural development. Okay, and implementation of the monetary policy. Commercial banks always have to go join and hands with the banking system into the country, on of course on the guidelines which have been given by the RBI, and it also helps, this system also helps in controlling the inflation and deflation in the economy. Okay, and employment opportunities. Of course, banks are the best rating employment providers in our country nowadays, and self-employment schemes. Say for example, as I said, the startups are one of the best self-employment schemes which are being run by the government, and the commercial banks help in carrying out such type of innovative innovations in our country, and it also is thus reducing the unemployment conditions in our country. Children, a small part of credit creation is being left to be taught, so that I'll be doing later on. And with this, we have come to an end of the learning about commercial banking system into our country.